surprised you saw what
yes,
you were like.
It did. It totally surprised me. Hi, Ginger. Hello. Okay, so let's do channel. Let's watch some news, guys.
Thanks for the butter, Sam. I'm Bailey Baker.
And I'm Axel Wilson.
And now on the headlines.
That's right, Bailey. An unknown mass figure who's got quite a belly has been robbing sports stores all around the area of Boise. We know nothing about him other than where he is struck and the reason for doing so.
The first place he attacked was Big Five, and 2 days later he attacked Sports Authority, stealing all of the sportswear and equipment.
Well, he must have the skills of Sam to do all of that in one night.
Well, he sure doesn't look like Sam.
According to security
That is one of the spicy.
here's a good man. Believes the sports should be abolished from the United States and will do whatever it takes to do so.
But there's no need to worry. The authorities are looking for him and everything's under control. If you see anything suspicious related to this matter, please call this number.
Oh my gosh, that sounds horrible. I think we should get involved.
I don't know. It sounds kind of risky.
Let's do it, Sam.
Well, we can start by getting a map.
Okay, so we can see that he's struck Big Five.
So how are we gonna show this?
Well, we should graph it because that way we can track where his movements are and where he's going to strike next.
Oh, that's smart. Okay, you take this and we'll use this.
So we should put miles on like that one up to 7 or whatever, and days up to 10 on this one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if we use a scale of 3 centimeters equals 1 day and 3 centimeters equals 1 mile, this way we can represent how many miles he's traveling from our house per day.
Okay, so if he's already struck Big Five, let's mark this. All right, but we have to wait until tomorrow to see where he's gonna strike next if he does.
But why do we have to wait till tomorrow?
Because if he's traveling at a constant rate, we need 2 points to find the slope of the line he's traveling on.
All right, well then, maybe we can catch him.
Okay. Groovy like a driving movie.
I guess so.
Shall we? Yes, let's go plot that one.
Saw that video on Megan. He's such a creep.
I know.
Just like around the store stealing stuff. Like who does that? I mean, everybody loves sports.
Yeah, stupid. Yeah. So, but now we're at second point, so we can find the slope of the line.
And our equation.
Yeah.
And then see if he's moving at a constant rate.
And then determine where it's going to go next.
Yeah.
As soon as Mark gets here.
Yeah.
I'll be less nervous if you smile.
Mark, hey Mark.
Okay, so while you guys were getting here, since we have our 2 points now, I started to just work on our equation and our slope. Okay, so our slope, this equation for slope is change in y over change in x. So I took Nike's point, which is 2 and 3.8, and then I took Sports Authorities, which is 1 and 3.05, and you're supposed to subtract the y, which is the change in y. So
Right, because the rise over run.
Yeah, so I did 3.8 minus 3.05 and got 0.75, and then I got 2 minus 1 is 1, so our slope is 0.75. So then, to find the y-intercept, to know where to start at, the equation is y equals mx plus b. So I took y equals, and then I know my slope, because that's the m is this growth, and so I put 0.75 x plus b. Then I plugged in the coordinates for Nike, so I put 2 because that's the x-axis, and 3.8 because that's the y-axis. And then I multiplied those, and I got 1.5, and then I subtracted 1.5 from each side, and my final output was y equals 0.75x plus 2.3. So that's our equation.
Look at the graph. It looks like it's going at a constant rate. That means we can predict where he's going to go next.
Okay, so if we know he's going the same amount of miles each day, that means that we can plot his next attack.
We should go to the store or wait somewhere and try to catch him.
Yeah, we should, but we need to be careful because we don't know how dangerous he could be.
Okay, so if he's traveling 0.7 miles per day, what store is he going to attack next?
0.75, but yeah, if we plug that into our equation, then we can find out where he's going to go.
So, I already did it. So our equation is y equals 0.75x plus 2.3. So when we plug in 3, because that's our x and our number of days,
it's our third
we go
day.
y equals 0.75 times 3 plus 2.3. When you times that, you get y
that
equals
makes so much
2.25 plus 2.3. So our final output is y equels 4.5.
So that
Okay,
is
if we plug that into our axis, we'll find out where he's going to attack.
So if we go to 3, and we get about 4.55.
Dick's Sporting Goods. He's going to attack Dick's Sporting Goods.
So
Oh my
tomorrow,
gosh.
he should be there. If our graph and equation are correct, we'll go to the store and just snoop around until we find him.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan.
Oh, these are cute.
Look at those. Those are a steal.
Now we have some questions. Why do you hate all sports and sports
As
stores?
a kid, no one would let me on the team because I wasn't the best or I was fat. So now I ruin people's sports by stealing sport equipment.
Well, that's dumb. The important thing is that our linear equation and our function worked. By finding the miles between each store and the y-intercept, we were able to find his next destination.
Using the table to plot his next points also helped because that way we were able to find where he was going to attack next.
Also, by using a graph, we were able to see that he was traveling at a constant rate. Either way, what you've done is horrible and you're going to jail for it.
Goodbye, linear function.